Not long after, he spoke to her of his love. Daragang Mayon shyly admitted that she had also fallen in love with him. This gave the youth courage to thrust his spear at the foot of the stairs of Raha Mapuso's house.
I have never felt this way before. The feeling was so thrilling. I think I have fallen in love with you.
I have never expected this feeling I have for you, Pangarola. I think I love you.
Realizing that his daughter loved the young man and wishing only happiness for her, Mapuso gave the couple his blessing. With great joy, Panganoron left for home to prepare for the wedding.
I have witnessed your journey together. I know that you really love each other. So I will give you my permission to get married as soon as possible.
The news of the approaching wedding reached Pagtuga's ears in no time. He was very angry and he thought of a way to prevent the marriage. One day, when Raha Makusog went to the mountains to hunt, Pagtuga waylaid him and took him captive.